Hello students, in this video we will learn about the modal verbs given in chapter number 14 of your grammar book. There are two types of auxiliary verbs. One is helping verb and one is modal verbs. What are the helping verbs? The helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, do, does and did. These helping verbs are used to express tense. Modal verbs are used to express likelihood, possibility, ability, permission, and obligation. In this video, we will learn about the three modal verbs, that is can, may, and must. So let us start with can. Can is used to talk about ability. Ability means the capability to do something. For example, I can play the piano. That means I am capable of playing the piano. She can speak several languages. Means she has the capability of speaking several languages. Can is used to ask for things or taking permission. For example, when you need something from someone, you ask them, and sometimes you need permission to do something. For example, when you say, "Can I borrow your eraser?" or "Can you lend me 100 rupees?" Here you are asking somebody for something. But when you say, "Can I take this seat?" or "Can we sit here?" or "Can I leave early today?" you are taking permission to do something. When we are able to do something, we use can, but when we are unable to do something, we use cannot. Some sentences with cannot are: I cannot speak French. He cannot play tennis. You cannot park here. He cannot drive a horse. Modal verbs are never used on their own in a sentence. They are always used along with the main verb in the base form. Let us read an example. I can play the piano. In this sentence, can is the modal verb and play is the main verb. Can we say this sentence without the main verb play? No. So, modal verbs are always used with the main verb. One more important thing is that the main verb is always used in the base form. We cannot use s, es, d, ed or ing in the main verb. May is used to ask for permission. For example, may I come in? May I drink some water? May I share the table with you? May is more polite way of taking permissions than can. May is also used to say something that is possible. For example, it may rain later today. He may reach on time. She may attend the program. Must is used to express a strong obligation. For example, you must come and visit us soon. Must is also used to express necessity. For example, she must get a medical checkup soon. Must is also used to express certainty. For example, it's so cold today, you must be freezing. Must not is used to express prohibition. Examples: children must not play in the street. The children must work harder to improve their grades. You must not talk to strangers. Let us revise what we have learned in this video. Modal verbs are used to express likelihood, possibility, ability, permission, and obligation. Can is used to talk about ability, for asking things and for taking permission, whereas cannot is used to talk about things we are unable to do. Modal verbs are never used on their own in a sentence. They are always used along with the main verb in the base form. May is used for asking permission. It is also used to express a strong obligation and to express necessity and certainty. Must not is used to express prohibition. I hope it is clear to you children. Thank you and have a great learning day.